So today I will be showing you how to make chicken spring rolls, homemade, alongside with 2 chutneys. So keep watching. So over here we've got some vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil measured with a spoon of this size. Then here we have about 5 to 6 potatoes finely diced. We have a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of red chili flakes, a tablespoon of dried coriander seeds. Then I have about 2 finely cut white onions. Here I have about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, finely mashed using a pestle and mortar. And then over here I have about a quarter of a bag of sweet corn.